Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you for choosing to click on it. Really quickly, please subscribe. A lot of people that watch my videos actually aren't, so I'd really appreciate it if you do. Also like the video and share with other people you think might like this. I got an interesting topic for you guys today. So I got 3 water balloons with me, 1 small one and 2 big ones. We're gonna fill them up with water and shoot them with the BB gun and show slow motion footage. So yeah, let's get to filling them up. And we're back in the bathroom. So now let's go fill up the water bottles. Freaking water balloons, sorry. So we're gonna put them on the sink and then start filling them up. And you can see it's getting bigger. I think this is a good size for the small one. So as you can see, it is already starting to expand. Alright. Oh shoot, some of the water. Now let's move on to our last one. That's a lot of water. Let's get outside and start popping with the BB gun. And we're outside, guys. We got our BB gun right there, and we got our 3 water balloons. Yo, guys, so we're outside, and I already got the first water balloon ready. It's the small one, and it's tied up to this with rope. So it'll be hanging, and then I'll shoot my gun, which is over there, at it, and hopefully we get some really good slow motion clips. So yeah. So guys, I shot it 3 times with this gun, and it has this hole, little water, good for washing your hands. As you can see, it has those little impact craters, and it's actually holding up really well, so I gotta keep shooting it. Oh, 2 penetrations. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna put it at gunpoint and fire like this. And it survived. Wow. One more time. Oh. Spewing liquid again. Yeah, this isn't really doing anything. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here and not use the gun anymore. I'm like gonna slice it with the blade. Alright guys, I'm gonna use this blade right here to slice it. So yeah. Woo! Alright guys, this is the final water balloon right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a bottom up perspective and do burst slow-mo, and it's gonna show the water balloon falling onto the camera slow motion. It didn't get the super cool part, so I'm gonna do one more water balloon. Let's get this. All right, guys, I was able to get one more water balloon. Unfortunately, it is not a big one though, but it still will be cool. So let's get it.